Do you drink coffee in the morning? And do you immediately crash 2 hours later when you're done and fucking drying up from it? Does that feel normal? Because to me, that never felt normal. I could not rely on coffee for a part of my life when I needed to wake up so early, and I could not allow myself to feel that tired throughout the rest of my day. So coffee became this option that I could not start my day with. And I know so many people start their day with coffee. So thankfully, I was able to change my morning routine and I implemented something different. I started to stretch.
Yeah, it's good stretching, man. The coffee stretcher, if you love stretching in the morning, just get started.
And this stretching sounds like it won't do a lot. However, I find it to be an incredible boost in energy and a natural replacement for caffeine or anything that you may be taking in the morning. I found it so much more beneficial at 5:30 in the morning to do a 10-minute stretch than to drink 1 cup of coffee for my 30-minute bike ride, which was 10 kilometers to get to my 10-hour work shift. Stretching was able to push me through that. Not a cup of coffee. I did have coffee in my days when I needed it, but it really wouldn't help me. So, welcome to my video. This is Anthony approved. Oh. Fuck. Does it matter? No. So, welcome to my channel. Fuck, this is the third time. Today, I wanted to run you through what I do in the morning. My stretching routine, which is just nothing really routine-like, just a bunch of different stretches I really like doing that make me feel very energetic after the fact. Something that I don't really have to rely on coffee to get me started. And I think it's very valuable, and I think it's worth a try if you really just can't rely on anything else but coffee to get your day going. Because, let's face it, coffee's probably not good for you, and probably not good for you when you're taking it more than once a day. So, I hope you can provide, I'm providing value here. This is a fucking good stretch. So, let's get into it.
Good. Yeah, I feel good.
Hey, this is Anthony, and I wanted to continue my stretching video because I do it multiple times a day. I start my day with one, as I kind of showed you and ran through earlier. And today, about, 3 hours later, since I recorded that, and I'm about to do a workout. And I start my workout with some dynamic stretches, which usually take 5 minutes to get through, just get my heart racing. It's a different kind of stretch than I did this morning, which they're called static stretches. And I'll finish my workout at the end of my workout by doing the same kind of static stretches I started this morning with. Hearing everything cracking and getting into place, lubing up my muscles and my joints, it feels like. Just getting them all geared up and ready to go. Feels like an extra layer of coffee just poured into my system. Adrenaline's kicking in, heart rate's going up. Oh yeah. It's nice. Those aren't always the funnest, but we do them anyways. Feeling ready to go. Feeling like I can really push through this now. See you at the end of my workout. Finished my workout. So now I get to stretch. It's getting dark out and colder. If you would like a more in-depth guide on stretching and maybe a full routine for specific workouts, let me know in the comments. Maybe I can make something like that. I have the knowledge and the experience. If you would like to see more content like this, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be happy to bring more content like this It's really just been me going about my day and recording the things I do today, like stretching. Start in the morning, do it before and after my workout, and not only does it have benefits, but mentally, I mean, I'm going through the work to get the results I want, and it helps me achieve my goals. Makes me feel better about myself. I'm excited not to feel super sore tomorrow because of the work I've put in. So, yay me, good on me. So hopefully you learned something from this video. And I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good night. Cheers.